Скажите время.
Look at this anomaly here. The integration isn't stable.
It contradicts the schematics. We need to isolate the assembly line.
Diagnostics complete. The integration is flawless.
It must be.
We have integrated the neural architecture flawlessly, achieving unprecedented levels of precision and quality control. The integration of the neural processor is flawless. Our robotics assembly achieves unprecedented precision.
Это кульминация многолетних инноваторов.
Каждое устройство проходит строжайший.
This isn't just a phone. It is a seamless fusion of human ingenuity and robotic precision. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the next generation of smartphone technology.
This is the best smartphone camera I have ever tested.
The performance is absolutely mind-blowing. The neural pathways are integrating faster than projected. Flawless synchronization.
A quiet moment of shared triumph, reflecting on the marvel they had created. Even amidst success, the human spirit yearns for more. The horizon of innovation perpetually expands. Remarkable. But imagine what comes next. From a factory floor to the farthest reaches of the globe, connecting lives, empowering dreams.
Let's go over the projections for the next quarter.
Growth demands expansion. The blueprint of success now carved into the very landscape.
Orchard step out is covered the black area play. Us essence kicking chonky. Don't kikis the pull.
The torch of innovation passes, guided by the wisdom of experience.
Precision isn't just about the machines. It's about the mind behind them.
The relentless pursuit of perfection, amplified by the intelligence of tomorrow.
Our standards will only ever rise. AI helps us ensure that.
For the quiet architects of a connected world, a moment of well-deserved acclaim.
Even in slumber, the heartbeat of innovation continues, ever watchful, ever ready. A solitary figure, overlooking the world he helped to build. The future, a canvas of endless possibility, held in the palm of her hand.
From the intricate dance of robots to the interconnected pulse of a planet, their work continues to shape.
In the relentless pursuit of perfection, even the most intricate systems can reveal the slightest tremor. The factory pulsed with the silent symphony of thousands of calculations per second, each nanometer. Correction confirmed. Recalibrate entire array. We can't afford a single deviation. Beyond the microscopic heart of the device, lay its vibrant face, a canvas of pure light. Here,
Hold. Batch 317, Unit 4. Slightest microfracture on the edge. Reroute for immediate inspection.
With every adjustment, every fractional refinement, the boundaries of possibility were pushed further, ensuring a fitnet.
The moment of truth arrived, where two distinct worlds of precision converged, their fates in the crucibles.
In the crucible of innovation, human intellect became the final variable.
Microchip integration at 90 Mauris, running a full systems diagnostic with new parameters.
Hold your breath, Eris. This is it.
From raw silicon to polished glass, the journey culminated in a silent exodus. Each device attested its words, a pristine surface, a flawless connection, the embodiment of their collective genius. Watching the silent parade, a quiet understanding passed between them. A symphony of ingenuity, a testament to what's possible when precision meets purpose.
Ensuring perfection isn't just an ideal. Each device leaving these hallowed halls carried more than just technology. It carried the promise of connection. And so, the work continued. For every light, a story. Every connection, a new horizon.
Within the colossal heart of innovation, the next generation of connectivity began to take shape.
each Dr. Thorne, a silent conductor in this symphony of silicon and steel, pushed the boundaries of what was possible. As the internal organs found their place, the outer shell required an equal measure of mastery. At the laser But even in this realm of engineered perfection, the slightest deviation could unravel the entire tapestry.
Thermal signature on Unit 7. Slight fluctuation. Isolate the laser array on Module 4.
The new ultra-thin displays are sensitive to micro vibrations.
A phase shift in the laser frequency could compensate.
For Eris, it was more than just technology. It was a profound act of creation. Each device, a vessel from the unyielding strength, the pristine clarity Colnes. Her vigilant gaze guaranteed only perfections. And for Anya, the ultimate validation came with the absolute assurance of quality. The unyielding strength. From raw materials to a device poised to connect the world, the journey culminated in a flawless, elegant fupulosis. In the silent glow of the factory, a new era was constantly being forged. Each device